Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy Review. Does this program really help you reverse diabetes? Watch this video till the end to know everything about Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy and decide for yourself whether this program is for you or not. Hey, my name is David and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome robotic voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to Healthy with Fit channel for such useful health and fitness videos. Before proceeding to the review, if you decide to buy Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. First, let's know, what is Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy all about? Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy Program by Scott Hanson is a simple, scientifically supported, and natural approach toward fighting diabetes. Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy is one product that can help you balance your blood sugar levels. This approach toward giving you a diabetes-free life is one that has been learned from the locals in Northern Thailand. As per the official website, not only does this program help you keep your blood sugar levels under control, but it also improves your energy, supports weight loss, makes you feel more youthful, improves your libido, and does much, much more for you. What is inside Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy Program? Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy by Scott Hanson is not a supplement, but a program that details you on the steps you can take to get rid of diabetes once and for all. But don't worry, this is not some elaborate program that will confuse you with its info dump. Rather, the digital program simply depends on a tea that you can prepare in under 3 minutes. It teaches you how to make a special light tea that the people in Northern Thailand drink about an hour before going to bed. How does Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy help? This amazing program talks about the recipe of a specific tea that can help you live a life free of diabetes and rejuvenate your overall health. To understand what this program exactly does, you need to know what causes a spike in your blood sugar levels in the first place. Basically, when your insulin levels decrease below optimal, the glucose in your blood doesn't get processed. This contributes to type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, since the energy that you derive from glucose is not of the high quality, you start craving food again. This means that high blood sugar levels and a problem in insulin production plus working can chip in higher cravings which contribute to weight gain. This is where the situation messes up even more. You see, the more weight you put on, the more your risk of type 2 diabetes shoots up. Here is where the Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy Guidebook comes into the picture. The tea that it talks about manages insulin production to be ideal so that blood sugar levels can be brought back down to their optimum range. Furthermore, this tea also suppresses your appetite so that weight gain can be controlled. Moreover, as the name of this program suggests, it focuses on your sleep. As the tea improves your sleep routine, excess production of cortisol is controlled. Now this is important because an increase in cortisol increases stress. And an increase in stress contributes to weight gain, which is linked to diabetes. Hence, stress control is very necessary for maintaining overall good health. What do you get with Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy? There are several different things that you learn from the Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy program. The first thing that you get with it is the Diabetes Reversing Blueprint. In this blueprint, you understand the exact steps to creating the delicious tea formula that can improve your sleep, balance your blood sugar, cool inflammation as well as help with weight loss. But along with this, you also get the following other materials: a 5-part video series that talks about everything that you need to do for reversing type 2 diabetes and improving your blood sugar levels smoothly. 9 bonus recipes of special drinks that balance your blood sugar levels so that you never run out of options for what you want to drink in a week. An amazing strategy based on what nutrition you need in your diet for getting rid of diabetes by means of maintaining stable levels of blood sugar all day long. You also get a complete guide to how you can avoid glucose spikes and silent killers that increase your blood sugar levels. Bonuses that come along with the program. Did you know that this program doesn't come on its own? It also brings along some freebies which make your purchase so much sweeter. Below are the products that come for free with the Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy Program, 30-day food and drink plan. Aphrodisiac Foods and Plants Guide. Fat melting tonics. Deep sleep diabetes remedy complaints and customer reviews. Deep sleep diabetes remedy complaints are not available. People have been patient and tried their test. Those with good results have posted their reviews online. And this proves that the Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy program helps people to achieve their weight loss goals. My final verdict. Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy is an amazing program for anyone who wants to get rid of type 2 diabetes safely and naturally. This program is based on scientific research as well as on the remedy that is followed by folks in Northern Thailand for reversing diabetes. It doesn't only help you manage healthy levels of blood sugar, but it also supports weight loss, higher energy levels, better libido and other benefits. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in description of this video to buy Deep Sleep Diabetes Remedy at a limited time discounted price. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.